Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to log out of Facebook account on iPhone and delete completely, okay? Delete all. Let me show you in this quickly video because you need make different things. Open your Facebook, okay? In your account. Now, when you are here in the corner, can you watch three lines? Those here, remember update your app first. Scroll down and log out, okay? But not is all, okay? Now when you are here in the corner, can you watch 3 points, those here, and then remove profile from this device. This is so important because you have your personal information saved here. Those here, and delete, remove your profile, okay? I have 2 accounts here, but if you want remove one, that's it. Do it now. But not is all. You need make something more, okay? Now, is in your screen, scroll down. When you are here, write password, and this is the official app on iPhone, okay? Maybe you saved your personal information in this app, okay? If you want delete your personal account, okay, open that with your Face ID or your code, I don't know, and try to find your personal account, your personal information, and delete, okay? With that, you delete completely your Facebook profile in your iPhone, okay? Sorry for my bad English, I know that is awful, but I just want try to get more experience with me speaking. If that video worked for you, let me know with a like. Have a good day and see you later.